This one of the reasons we don't allow these people to stand on the road. But you see us reading them, you say government is wicked, government is that, government is this. You can see what is the head hazard that this guy is.
You should eradicate this, honestly.
For anybody that consumes this.
Honestly.
You can see this is a potential death. This is a imminent death.
Wickedness.
Government is wicked, government is sensitive, government is corrupt.
It's a lie, still inside. Go.
You can see.
Look at mango.
This is meant for people's consumption. There's no how you can. Okay, go to office.
Go take care of them.
This coronavirus.
Please.
Hello everybody, well done. Oh, today we want to talk about this aboki wey go dey sell, bring food for inside dirty for people to buy. Today really I see this video, people dey talk say na Hausa wan kill Naija o, Hausa don wan kill us o. But really person wey close to me give me this video, tell me say that person no be Hausa Nigeria o. Because Hausa Nigeria dey, Hausa Niger still dey. So Niger they speak Hausa. So when those one come Nigeria, they'll first stay those Kano side, that side. So they'll come learn our way of life. The politics where we they play, they say, okay, oh, we like to know where you come from. If you see anybody, say the person be Nigeria, never reach, you go ask her where you come from. So we go say na Hausa Nigeria. So when it was say na Hausa Nigeria, now we go receive and make the say for our area. Because if you tell us say na Niger, we not go allow and sell with us. So that's why they can't they play this wayo. If you come ask them, say where you come from, Kano, you go say na Kano you come from where? You go say na Emma Palace, na you come from for Kano. Or the biggest mosque in Kano, now there be address, you not get other address. Because really when it come, now that two places, now can accommodate them too. When it go come learn this our small English, it go come to our side. So what I use this one, I may say typical answer of our own Nigeria. No one cannot speak a good English or this broken way with they speak so. They be like us so. But some of us will not get opportunity to go that side. We just take them as people way strange, people where we not know. We they run for them. If we hear Hausa, say they be bad person. Really not be say because Hausa bad person not do. Ide Igbo, Ide Yoruba, Ide Edo, Ide Kwale, Ide Aunchi, everybody. Well, we can any tribe, bad person can do. But really waiting one day can talk today say. Wetin can cause this aboki really, we can decide to use this shito. According to America president say na shito. Wetin can make now can they use this shito, can they ripe keep this mango. Really we can't get to know say this mango when they don't buy all these fruits, then one can sell 2-3 days they don't they sell, the thing go come they wither, so you know come fresh again. So make them not lose the money too because of the hot sun. Now they can't decide say this shito water they can't tie and put for night when they want go house. So that in the morning the thing go come fresh. So that when customer come in the morning they see and say fresh. I say this man go fresh oh. Say the fresh well when it go come enter people eye. They'll come buy them. So now they can't resort to this self-made fridge we can't be shito today. So really we can't say okay really these people they come to our land too to survive, because they call and say now survivor keto. Anywhere where you go try to survive, but not be say we really they do bad thing, a very bad thing. We can't be saying that dirty shit of the whole streets. Like they can't they put mango, they put pepper, sugar cane. We see all these ones for different videos. All Lagos now, it can be the business. You must see them say all those hole. They can't use am now because say light they not fit afford the fridge. They can't use that sheet hole portion. Can't they keep the thing may not spoil, may not change color. But really, we see and say we not blame them because if we get parable say if a thief wey dey house no open door for the one way they come, the one way they come from outside, no go see chance to enter like rats. Now rats wey dey inside house, now they open door for the one way dey inside. Me go show and road say now this road now you go pass enter. So now we see today for this video, come see say this problem really now ourselves we see the cause am. We can't get to know for inside this video. Person will give me this accurate. Talk say omonile still involved. Who be this omonile now? Children of a landlord. They can't use all this aboki. See use them till they make money. Say that they take rent for that shito dead water. Say that when they start, then they take 2,000 naira. So they can't increase to 3,000. Once they increase now aboki can say no, market not today like that too. But he go bring a person so that they will come the user. Now I say no, may not bring person. If you bring person, traffic go come there. People feel can suspect. Make the manager, make them all have people join body. And that one can say no, the money big. Make it reduce the money. Say when they come they argue and small. Now go Samaritan when they come they pass come hear the story. Say this dirty water. Now when I come they fight over. I can say no, police must hear. And they can call police for this case. So now make also all of us come here. So you see really why all these things, love of money, and this aboki too, all of them want survive as I tell you before. Because as we wait the Europe, they send money go home, they do arrow to arrow, go home. Now so they too come to Nigeria to find naira to safer. So we go careful. We will not buy anything where we don't know. That's why they tell you now, because this Hausa now they'll come from another place, come shade for that junction, and when they don't shade down, they come carry on. After those shito water, they come carry and go find place like all those Najegule na they do all these things. They come go carry and go Highland place like Victoria Highland, Aja, all those area, Ikoyi. Like they go the seller. So lucky, you see say rich men where they there now they'll come happy, come see fresh fruits. This mango fresh so not wash and away, they don't buy time. Some sugar cane where we see the other video. One people where just buy and we find car safe. They not even wash and with a window of the car, they just draw window down and they shoe can, they give them, they just the chop and they go. These are deadly food. You see why rich man sometimes they not they last because of this some of them no too more care waiting that they eat, waiting that they pursue now this money they believe say they don't get money they'll come relax, they'll come if it too happen they can't see they can't run go Europe land so that they'll take treatment. But really the thing where they suppose care for make they not embezzle money now be this food where they tell now. So if you eat well, it hard make disease enter person body. Now I mean me they use and sing for this channel say eat well, you not go need the medicine. I say food as medicine. So maybe we dey educate ourselves how you go use your own food where go turn to medicine for you. Because really if person sick now go to hospital, what thing they'll fair do for them? They'll fair put on for mini diets. So that all the big food where you dey eat before the first season go dey chop small. So that waiting they want try to do, they want to make all that your body make it heal. All these medical line so they do one. So that when that your body receives strength, it go fight your immune system will come wake up to fight any disease where they worry you. But if your immune system they give you medicine, not feel wake, not feel fight, nothing they can do. So now we dey talk say waiting with they eat, they put for mouth is very important too. And all these things really with the cry say na China, na India, na Arabo, but now we are saying say this thing now not turn to Africa. You see say at the end say we come over fear. even die with another sickness wey dem dey call hypertension. So make all these things not happen. May we make people wey dey sell around us, people wey we know, may we try to dey patronize them, may we try to dey buy with them. So if you buy with person wey dey sell around you, e hard wey you no go know how e take dey prepare those things. We see sometimes they bring you this agidi wey dem bring am, dem dey sell am. People no buy because dem put am for cellophane type. When dem no buy am, na dem come go repackage am when the next season come put am for leaf or for this agidi wey we dey do our own leaf. Dem come use am tie am for us. You see, anything wey we want, na the world dey look for, because na we dem know say nothing wey we no dey buy. Just hawk am, just call am say na moi o, we go buy anything wey we call am. You see some people say go even dey buy wey we Yoruba dey call eko. Then even they come dey sell am. Things where you can do akamu, the cheapest thing where anybody can do. Pour am with hot water, cover am 5 minutes, e don ready. But people still prefer them carry plates. Akamu here, akamu wow, akamu wow. People still put plates under. See they use a big spoon. See they cut akamu for plate for them. Not say as we dirty, not say as we lazy rich. They not fit buy, they not fit do it by themselves. So that's why they advocate for this channel, say, may we try. Like people now where they resell akara for your junction. You know her. Mama Janet, they sell akara for your area. You go know a rich house. Mama Janet, sometimes you go pass, they go grant the beans. Mama Janet, good morning, where they go? No, I want go grant beans. So you go see, and sometimes where they go grant them. You go see sometimes where they come back. You go see sometimes where they prepare oil for firewood. So you go monitor and you go know even this groundnut oil say where they use. We know say now say engine oil now say they everywhere too when they see they use. And that kind of person now there you see they eat. And this woman they fresh, you not sick. You too guarantee there for you. Say that good food where they cook where they eat, you know harm me family. You know still harm me too. So now this one be self-awareness we want bring to this platform. So make all of us they know say now we if we do am well, nobody go fight us, and no other person than me and you to solve this problem. So now I come back when they send me this video too, I can say this video too, my people go like am. That's why I bring am for now. So me una careful, me una dey buy wetin una know. People wey dey around una, me una dey follow them buy o. Now to dey buy food wey una no know. Thank you everybody, my friend. Make una bye bye yo. We'll do another video too. Make una put my for ear for grand o. Okay, bye bye everybody. Bye bye.